All right, guys. So we got our walls stood up. They're sheathed. The two walls that we're going to sheathe are sheathed. Now we need to do our interior walls. So in full scale construction, there's two ways you can do this. One, you can run all your double top plates on all your bearing walls and then frame interior partitions later. So that would mean on this house, we would frame this wall, run our double top plates, tie everything together, and then later we'd come back and we would frame this interior partition. But just to make things easier, I'm going to frame all the walls, run all the top plates, and then they'll all be done, and then we can start with our roof framing. So first step in framing this bearing wall right here, this center bearing wall, is we got to measure our plates. So we're going to need two plates at, for my house, 18 and 15/16. And then we can start laying out our studs, our door openings, and all that kind of stuff. All right, so I got my two plates cut, and just like the exterior walls, we're just gonna lay these down, transfer our layout marks up onto the plates, and then start cutting all our pieces for this wall. All right, so this wall we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 studs and 4 jacks. Jacks are going to be the same height as in there. Our door openings are 2.5 inches wide. So we got to add 9/16 to find our headers. So that would be 3 1/16 our headers would be. So we're going to need 14 studs, 4 jacks, 2 header pieces at 3 1/16, and that's it for this wall. All right, so I got all my parts cut, ready for assembly. So I'm going to put this together just like all the other ones. All right, so we framed this opening here. This is our bearing wall. This one's just an interior partition. So like I said, you could just frame all your bearing walls, run your double top plate, and then frame your interior partitions that aren't bearing. But we're gonna do it now. So same process as before. We're just gonna cut our 2 plates, top and bottom plate. This one has no openings in it, so it's just all studs. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, so we got our 2 walls framed. We're gonna let that sit, let the glue cure, and then we'll install them and run our double tap prints.